So good people, I want to say that I'm very happy. And we have had a good conversation with the Honorable Mother Wangari KARUA, and we have agreed going forward we are going to work together with other Kenyans. And I want to assure you there are many Kenyans who are looking for leadership. We'll work together with other like-minded Kenyans, patriots, people who really care for this country. And I want to say that ourselves and many leaders are prepared, that we are not scared and we cannot be intimidated. Because if we buy fear, this country will be in a very big quagmire. So I want to encourage the leaders who have accompanied me here, these great women. This young girl, Gachagua, I'm very proud of her. Very proud of her. This girl is a great leader, and she's fearless, she's articulate, and she's using the brains God gave her well for the benefit of the country. The Honorable Senator Mulango, this is another great man from Kirinyaga, and we are very proud of him for the leadership that they have given to the people of Kirinyaga and the people of this region and indeed the country. And our MC Madenge from Baragwe is a great guy. We're very happy. So for many years I was a student at the Kirinyaga High School, 1978 to 1983 for 6 years. And then I was a DO at Kirinyaga for another 2 years, just before the Honorable Mother KARUA was elected as Member of Parliament. So I know these areas, Katugora, where Ukudi najua area hizi sana. And the Kishogo people, the people of Kirinyaga are great people. Do itogere kiade mwire utikama ke gutire bureta kagate. Na mwikwe ugagarira utumanite muno. Ukirie gwekate? Kirie gukia. Ogunie tukunyitana na gatheno itu ya ruriri. Mother Wangari wa KARUA, my elder sister. We shall benefit a lot from her counsel. We'll consult her regularly alongside other Kenyans of goodwill, so that we liberate this country. So today I will leave here a very happy man, that now we have a leader now that we can work together. And she has the necessary experience, the necessary courage, and she'll be able to help us.